1993-94 NBA Jam Session by Fleer. These are much taller cards than the average sports card of the day. We're going to rip in here. I believe there is a Michael Jordan in this set. Pulled him one time, I think. We got Chris Webber, rookie standouts, and a checklist. Mohamed Abdul-Rauf, Ron Harper, Stacey Augmon, Thurl Bailey, Terrell Brandon, B.J. Armstrong, Muggsy Bogues. He doesn't need a card that tall when he's only that tall. Let's put him up. Bimbo Coles, Victor Alexander, and we're going to end with Kenny Anderson. That wasn't too impressive of a pack, but who cares? It was still fun. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.